Alright, everybody, Bucky Saul is back with another episode today. I got a little eBay unboxing for the Benelli buzzer, and I got in these digital temperature reader for upcoming episode slash oil test. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. I'm just waiting for the oil to show up. But we'll open up this package. Just got here 20 minutes ago. Looking good so far. Good man. Got the cylinder and the head. I got a little excited. I ordered the cylinder, and then I saw the guy also had a cylinder head, so I ordered that a couple of days later. But so this is the G2 head, so you know, pretty much the same other than the extra fins on the side. I think should be a better cooling cylinder head. And then here's a shot of the cylinder. Things looking pretty mint. It's got some real light scoring on the exhaust, but probably in way better shape than mine. But I'll get the cylinder, I'll do a better inspection on it. Probably just get this one bored out too while I'm at it. I'd rather just start with a nice good bore instead of trying to skate by with something. Well, there you have it, guys. Said I'm gonna get these cylinders cleaned up and see if my local machine shop will still bore and hone these smaller cylinders. I know the guy used to, but it's been a couple years since I brought anything to him, so I don't know. I don't know if he'll still do them, but we'll check in with him, and we'll get back to you guys after I get these back, and I'll get some new pistons ordered up. So thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.